guys, what's up? December 27th, 2010, New York blizzard, guys. Staten Island, New York. Alright, and there's a BMW X5 plowing through everything. Nothing's a match for this thing. So look at the amounts of snow. It's just ridiculous. We come right out, no problem. Car's getting stuck left and right. We're doing A-okay. Didn't even have to shovel. Just got right in and went. Doors open. Unreal. Hey, look, it's the military in town.
Huh?
It's the military in town.
Where?
What you saying? You got a lot of Hummers, all these trucks going by.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. We're about to take off. Drive. Actually, I like it in sport mode. Make sure traction control is completely off. There you go. And time for some fun. Let's wait for these cars to pass.
I'm going out for today.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, I need to get a shovel.
I need
the glue.
This is fun, man. Huh?
You have the Gorilla Glue, right?
Yeah.
Does it withhold the high temperatures or no? Do you?
I have no idea.
Or temporarily, so I can get out like this. Yeah, people are walking on Island Boulevard. This reminds me of like the 90s or the 20s. We're watching like History Channel.
I know, right? Ridiculous amounts of snow. That's Eugene, my co-pilot for the day.
This is why you want to take the car out now, see when it can do.
Oh, yeah.
It's bright and early.
Why don't we go drop off the bagels and go out for some fun?
Yeah. Nike definitely want to go to a spot.
Yeah. Guys, stay tuned. Later today, we'll go out and have some more fun in the snow. Demonstrate more capabilities of this backhoe snow plowing machine.
You should try. I don't even know how to get my car out. You should see the front of my car.
Yeah, it's all buried in.
The front, yeah. It's up to the roof. How the wind blew it, it's done.
Here we go. Oh, shit. There's a human. Oh, it's that older lady.
He's like, look at what are you doing? Don't turn. Look at the front of my car. It's really funny right now.
There's Eugene's ride.
The back is fine, but wait to the front.
Alright, let's go. Going right through, guys.
I guess Mike never left yesterday.
No problem. No, yeah, he stayed.
I was like, I don't recommend you going out. You're gonna get stuck somewhere. It was blinding conditions yesterday. Just leave the car in the middle of the road. Who's this Hummer guy?
I don't know. Should I park right back?
I'll park right in the middle of the road.
I'm gonna have to. I'll just back right up into the spot, and that's it. All right, guys. We're back home. Thanks for watching. By the way, again, just to show you where I just got out of with the X5. See this car? There was my spot right next to it. It's got to be at least 3 feet of snow here. No problem. All right. See you guys later.